Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Okay, I believe maybe others on their way or something. We do not have much to say. We do not have much to say. We have mourned Ada. But in the last couple of days, maybe weeks, we took a decision that we have mourned Ada enough. From that day up until her interment, and even after, we will only celebrate Ada Ameh. We'll celebrate her because we believe Ada has done everything a fulfilled artist should do. We believe if Ada was in the civil service, she probably by now should have attained the position of the permanent secretary. If she was in the academia, no doubt Ada would be a professor today. So whereas she died young, she achieved way more than her age could carry. And to that extent, we have elected to celebrate her. I once told my wife jokingly that if you do Shakara, I'll go marry Ada. After all, I have married Ada in the last 10 years, much more than I have married you. And yes, whereas I not go divorce my wife, but that underscored how close Ada and I were. And indeed, everybody here. Ada, if you do not know her in her true elements, you could very well take her for a termagant, maybe someone cantankerous. But you need to know Ada to know that that other side, na drama. Yes, Ada is the most lovable, the most humane, most compassionate person I have met. Ada not know you before you go say you won't pay your school fees. Ada not know you before you see person they cry. What did you do? They say don't drive for house, you not be paying house rent. Ada, if you not get money, you go borrow pay. Ada ready to cook for the whole world. If you now agree, eat them. The only problem she had with cooking was, will I get enough people to eat it? She was always ready to feed people. I think we should just give God thanks for the life that Ada lived. Let's find what we can draw from her very exemplary life. Things we can take home. Things we can learn from. Most of it will be that be your brother's keeper. Talk to someone. No matter what you are going through, talk to someone. Talk to someone. Talk to someone. You never know what you might be saving. On behalf of native media producers of the Johnsons, we thank you for this honor, the body of actors in Nigeria, of which we are members. We thank you for finding time, in spite of this very terrible weather, to stay put, to give honor to whom it is due. Ada, we love you. You may have left us on the Johnsons, but your persona can never leave that space. That show will leave you, will breathe you every day until it finally takes its exit from the screen. God knows when. Thank you all. God bless you.
Nobody's assured tomorrow.
So whatever you do, wherever you find yourself, touch somebody's life. Everybody here has been saying one thing or the other about Ada. I can also say so many things about Ada. I think she was close to me. But the truth in life is, always, always, always look out for the person next to you, because you never can tell what will happen. And if you're going through issues in life, if the issues you're going through in life, talk to someone. It doesn't cost anything. Talk to someone. I want to talk to every actor in this industry, every producer, every director, every member of Nollywood family. It doesn't cost you anything. Take your phone call, send a text message. How are you? What are you up to? What's happening to you? You never can tell what somebody is going through. And your words will comfort that person. Here we are celebrating the life of somebody who just left at the age of 47. But we pray that God will grant her eternal rest. We pray that God will grant the family the fortitude to bear this irreparable loss. Nigeria mourns. Not just Nigeria, not just Nollywood, Africa mourns. Not just Africa, the world mourns. Because an angel left us. Good night, Ada. God bless you.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.